Umphathiswa wezombane kuzwelonke uGqr Kgosientsho Ramokgopa ungenelele ekuncedeni ukusombulula ingxabano eqhubekayo phakathi kwesixeko saseGoli, iqumrhu lombane lomasipala iCity Power kunye neziko lombane iEskom malunga netyala leenkonzo zombane elixabisa iibhiliyoni zeerandi. Olu ngenelelo liza emva kokuba iEskom igrogrisa isixeko ngokucutha iinkonzo zobonelelo lombane kwiindawo ezithile zaseGoli ukuba ityala alihlawulwa. Umphathiswa uRamokgopa uthi kumiliselwe isicwangciso-qhinga esitsha sentlawulo ukuthintela ukuphazamiseka kweenkonzo zombane ngelixa iingxoxo zisaqhubeka malunga namalungiselelo okuhlawula ityala ngokupheleleyo.
Ungqongqoshe kagesi kuleli useveza ukuthi angeke kube khona ukuphazamiseka kukagesi kumasipala waseJohannesburg kulandela amahebezi okuthi le nkampani izonqamula ugesi ukuze lo masipala ulungise isikweletu sawo. Ungqongqoshe ubambe isithangami sabezindaba ngoLwesibili ngokubambisana nezinkampani eziphakela ngogesi u-Eskom neCity Power kanye nomkhandlu waseJohannesburg ukwethula inqubekela phambili njengoba isikweletu sihlezi ngaphezu kwamabhiliyoni amarandi ayisithupha.
Late last year or mid last year, we had agreed on a dispensation on how we are going to resolve the issues of COJ's outstanding debt to Eskom. We had arrived at an agreement, and that agreement provided for the settlement of a current account and also provided for a dispensation to service the debt. And that agreement then got to be translated into the order of the court. Of course, the city through experienced a number of challenges leading up to end of last year and beginning of this year. And they were unable to keep up to the provisions of that agreement. And Eskom, consistent with the provision of the agreement, then issued a notice of either interruption, disruption, or discontinuation of a bulk electricity supply to the city of Johannesburg. And that's why we are here today, to see how best we can support the provisions of that agreement.
Kusenjalo umeya walomkhandlu ulandise kanjena ngokukhuleka ngalesi sixazululo.
We are confident that we will resolve all the issues and help City Power to get where it should be. It's one of the best organization, but it has challenges. Let's re-engineer it, resolve the problems in City Power and reposition it once again. It's one organization that was best performing.
U-Eskom uthi umkhandlu ukoleka imali ku-City Power kodwa leyo mali iphelele emehlweni njengoba-ke ingafiki kubo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseJohannesburg.